Hello, the Roku channel currently isn't available in your region. Maybe you've seen this error message and that's why you're watching this video. I'm going to show you how to deal with this. And one thing I want to point out, Roku is redirecting you to an Arrow website or page. So if you just use a VPN and try to reload this page, it might not work. But so basically, you want to enter the internet in the US, for example, because Roku is available in the US. So then you can use Roku. And for this, you can use a VPN. Here I'm using ExpressVPN. Below in the description and in the comments, I'm offering a list with VPNs, which I would recommend. But of course, you can try to use free VPNs. But yeah, there might be many dangers of using free VPNs. Like they can use your internet connection for spying on you or using your internet connection for illegal stuff, and then you might get in trouble. That's why I recommend getting a good VPN service. And now I'm going to show you how this works. So first of all, well, let's go back to Roku, and then here, ExpressVPN offers many locations in the US. Here I'm just choosing the first one, but sometimes it can happen that the first one is not working. Then I would just choose another one, or just use one on the opposite side of the US, for example, Los Angeles, and try if it works then. But let's go with Washington, DC for now. And so now I'm connected. So now my internet connection is completely encrypted. And now I'm entering the internet in the US, in Washington, DC. So now I'm trying again to go to Roku. I'm deleting this other web address where Roku rerouted me. And as you can see, now the Roku website is opening as if I would be in the US. And here it offers like one show. And yeah, well, let's just, here it says watch for free. So let's see if it actually works. Get personal, sign in, create free account. Yeah, well, we don't do that now, but you can do that. Go series, play season 2, episode 1. Let's see. Does it work? Yes, exactly. So as you can see, I'm just going back. I cannot show you all the content because that would be a copyright problem. But as you can see, it works. And with the recommended VPNs, I'm recommending like ExpressVPN, Viper VPN, or NordVPN. This will work for you, and you can access Roku as if you were in the US. So I hope this helped, and well, have fun watching Roku, and maybe check out the other videos how to play Pluto TV, Tubi, Crackle, Peacock, and so on. There are a lot of free streaming websites you can use to watch free TV, except that you have to pay for a good VPN. And yeah, I hope this helped. Oh, by the way, and you can install the VPN on any device, by the way. You can install it on your phone, on your computer, on your Wi-Fi router, and so on your Kindle Fire. So yeah, you can use this solution for any device.